But when you have this one days, it's messy to your house. It's big, you know. It looks like aloe vera, right?
Yeah, it is one of the aloe vera.
One of the aloe vera, but this one you can use to your, you know, to shampoo your hair. So what do you think? Then? Do you want to live in here?
Huh?
So what do you think? Do you want to live in here? Me? Yeah, I will.
I
I
don't
will.
mind.
If my husband is still okay, you know, is still, you know, healthy, something like. But if you're not healthy anymore, it's so hard. And then you're gonna drive far, going to the hospital.
They're gonna hear some water. Right. Here's some water from Millie. Fresh water.
Yeah, she really likes water. And this one is
Yun
nice.
ang ano kay Tommy. He knows everything. Sabi ko kanina, kailangan ng GPS. No, I know where to go.
What is it?
Kanina. Igawin ko sa yung GPS ko ba?
Hmm.
Sabihan na, I know where to go. Last time ganun ang nangyari sa amin.
Siguro na tour around na niya
Yeah.
Matilad eh.
That's okay. It's nice.
Like, kaparehas akong banad eh. Kanang mag-tour mi sa una. Di siya kinahanglan GPS. Ang iyang tanawon una, ang kuan day, ang unsa na eh? Ang main road. Then, going to, you know, suburb. So, that's the time nga siya magkuan, maggamit og GPS nga going sa this house, you know. But kuan sa kanang main road, kay bo akong bana. Kuan sa guys sila din no, limpyo kayo ba no? Kuna small village, maybe kuan kanang they help each other. Clean kayo ilang village ba no?
Is the tavern open for beer? The tavern.